Welcome to the top best. The best collapsible stool is probably one of the most versatile and convenient pieces of gear you can own. Whether you're a camping enthusiast, a concert-goer, or just someone who appreciates a handy seat, this stool offers a perfect blend of portability and functionality. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of collapsible stools, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to fit your needs. Number 5. Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool, Black, 9-inch. This folding step stool is designed for everyone. It's perfect for helping your kids at the sink, or for seniors reaching high places. It's a versatile solution for many needs. The step stool is incredibly sturdy and can hold up to 300 pounds. People of all ages can confidently step or sit on it. It's built to last and provide reliable support. This stool folds up easily and fits into tight spaces. It's great for small apartments or homes with limited storage. You can store it almost anywhere when it's not in use. The stool has a gripped surface and a handle to prevent slips and falls. These features make it safe to use, even in wet conditions. It's designed with your safety in mind. This step stool offers exceptional value for its quality. Many customers choose to buy multiple stools for different areas of their home. It's an affordable and practical choice. What we like. This stool is praised for its sturdy and reliable design, ensuring safety for all users. It's also designed to save space, perfect for small apartments. If you have kids or elderly family members, or if you are looking for a safe and space-saving solution, you should consider this one. What people say. It is lightweight and attractive, and because it folds up into a tiny space, it can be placed out of the way until needed. It opens and folds smoothly, and the non-slip top adds a nice sense of security. It folds flat with one quick flip and tucks away easily between appliances or behind doors. Number 4. Utopia Home 9-inch Folding Step Stool, Black. This compact step stool provides the perfect elevation without taking up much room. It measures just 11.3 inches long and 8.5 inches wide. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your home. Please be careful when folding and unfolding this stool. Keep your fingers away from the center gap to avoid any potential harm. Always prioritize your safety when using it. Don't let the lightweight design fool you, this stool is incredibly strong. It can support up to 300 pounds, making it perfect for various tasks around the house. It's also easy to move around. This folding stool collapses flat in seconds. You can easily store it between appliances, in closets, or under furniture. It's designed for maximum space efficiency. The textured surface and anti-skid base ensure a secure footing. The design helps reduce slipping on smooth surfaces, providing stability and balance for everyday use. This stool is perfect for various uses, from reaching kitchen cabinets to DIY projects. It's a convenient portable stool for bathrooms or work areas, making it a versatile addition to any home. What we like. The compact fold design makes this stool easy to store, sliding it away when not in use. It also features secure footing with a textured surface and anti-skid base. If you are looking for a versatile stool for various tasks around the house, you should consider this one. What people say. This stool was designed with non-slip rubber bottoms on each leg of the stool. It does not slide around at all. When ready to put it away, just grab it by the handle on top and lift up. The stool collapses for storing flat and saving space. Easy fold-out design saves some space. Number 3. ACSTEP Folding Step Stool, Lightweight and Durable. This ACSTEP step stool is made of tough, heavy-duty plastic, ensuring it lasts. It has been approved by the EN 14183 certificate, guaranteeing quality and safety. The ergonomic carrying handle makes folding and carrying simple. Just lift the handle, and it folds quickly with one hand. The handle appears when the stool is folded flat. A safety stop gap prevents the stool from being squashed. It also features 4 round corners for added safety, protecting you from bumps. The design prioritizes your safety. Special rubber dots and anti-slip rubber straps provide a secure grip. The textured surface ensures the stool is safe for everyone. It's perfect for various uses around the house. The stool can hold up to 300 pounds, safe for adults. Always keep both feet in the middle for balance. Use it on dry, flat surfaces, and avoid extreme temperatures for extended periods. What we like. It features an ergonomic carrying handle for easy portability. The safety stop-gap feature and round corners ensure your safety. If you are looking for a safe and easy-to-carry stool, you should consider this one. What people say. It's sturdy and easy to stash somewhere cause you just pull up the handle and it folds flat. Works well for my short self. So far nice and sturdy and folds up, saving a lot of space. Perfect height for my toddler to use to potty and to reach the sink to wash his hands. I love that it folds so it doesn't take up much space at all. I have stood on it multiple times and it's very sturdy. I'm so glad I found this stool. Number 2. Fishboy Collapsible Stool, lightweight and portable. This stool is built to last. The fish scale structure and reinforced clasps make it incredibly sturdy and stable, with a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds. It's designed for safety and comfort, making it a reliable choice. Setting up this stool is a breeze, opening and closing in seconds. You can easily adjust the height to your preference, making it suitable for anyone. It's also a great gift idea for friends and family. This collapsible stool is designed for easy transport. When closed, it's compact and lightweight, weighing only 2.54 pounds. You can carry it by hand or over your shoulder, making it perfect for any adventure. Using this stool is incredibly simple. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor activities. Whether you're at home or enjoying the outdoors, it provides a convenient seating solution. The stool features snap joints to prevent accidental opening when closed. This added safety feature makes it even more convenient to bring along. The non-slip base ensures stability and a comfortable sitting experience. What we like. This stool boasts a 400 pounds max weight capacity, making it sturdy and reliable. It's also adjustable in height, catering to various needs. If you are looking for a portable and adjustable stool for outdoor activities, you should consider this one. What people say. The height was easy for her to sit on and get back up. It collapses back down in a flash and is fairly compact when collapsed. It is sturdy and is wonderful to have when seating is unavailable or if it's too difficult for you to sit on the ground. Number 1. Boreeman Folding Stool, lightweight, portable, 400 pounds capacity. This stool features a patented fish scale structure and reinforced plastic. It can hold up to 400 pounds. The side supports are strengthened for increased stability. Weighing only 2.54 pounds and with a diameter of 9.84 inches, it's easy to carry. An adjustable strap allows you to carry it by hand or over your shoulder. Perfect for any outdoor activity. The fish scale design and precision manufacturing ensure smooth opening and closing. You can set it up or pack it away in seconds. It's incredibly convenient. The telescoping design allows you to adjust the height from 2.56 to 17.72 inches. You can choose from 12 different positions to suit your needs. Snap joints on the caps prevent the stool from opening unexpectedly. This makes it safer and easier to transport. It's designed for your convenience. Boreeman offers a 1-year warranty. If you have any issues, contact us through Amazon for a quick resolution. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This stool is built with a patented fish scale structure for remarkable strength. It's also lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry. If you like camping, fishing, or hiking, you should consider this one. What people say. The stool is very easy to set up and take down. It is also very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. The adjustable height feature is a great addition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.